Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy tuna pasta salad. First, gather your fresh ingredients. Then, cook your pasta to a perfect al dente. Next, combine the tuna, crisp vegetables, and a creamy dressing. Finally, chill the salad to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld together. It's a simple, satisfying dish perfect for any occasion. Let's start by cooking 8 ounces of your favorite pasta according to package directions until it's perfectly tender. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and cool it down. Next, open 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, drain them thoroughly, and flake the tuna into a bowl. This ensures no excess liquid waters down your salad. Now it's time to bring everything together. Finely chop 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion, then add them to your flaked tuna and cooled pasta. Stir in 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Season with salt and black pepper to your liking, then gently mix until all ingredients are well combined. For the best flavor, cover your tuna pasta salad and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the delicious flavors to meld and deepen. Before serving, give it a quick stir and garnish with some fresh parsley or dill if you like. Enjoy this easy and refreshing salad as a side dish or a light, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.